Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kumusta tayong lahat? Our topic for today is how to file quarterly income tax using graduated IT rates, OSD, optional standard deduction. Ang deadline for second quarter is on August 15. Okay, so andito tayo sa website ng BIR. So as we've noticed, yung eBIRForms ay may bagong version. Package V 7.6.1. So bago tayo mag-fill up ng eBIRForms, be sure na i-update natin yung version natin. Diretso na tayo sa form. Ito na yung form, offline eBIRForms package version 7.6.1. Ito yung pinaka-latest na version. So sa profile, kung pwede ihanda sa mga beginner, sa kaka-fill up lang nito ngayon, it's better na i-prepare nyo yung BIR form 2303 or certificate of registration. Kasi kokopyahin nyo lang yung details dito. Yun yung i-fill up natin dito sa profile. So sa taxpayer identification number or yung TIN, then RDO code, kung anong RDO kayo naka-register, then line of business, taxpayer's name, last name, first name, middle name for individual. So, pangalan po ng may-ari ang i-fill up natin dito. Then, registered address, zip code, telephone number, email address. So, mag-prepare tayo ng valid address kasi dito i-send ni BIR yung reply niya sa tax return receipt confirmation as proof na na-receive niya yung submission natin. So, doon niya i-send sa email natin. So, pagkatapos natin i-fill up yung profile, dito tayo sa list of BIR forms. So, click lang natin to. Then, hanapin natin yung BIR form 1701Q V 2018, yung V version 2018. Quarterly income tax return for self-employed individuals, estate, and trust. Close open parenthesis new. So, ito yung i-click natin. Tapos, click natin tong fill up. Background information saved, updated successfully. So, okay lang natin to. So, andito na tayo sa form 1701Q, January 2018 enhanced, page 1. Quarterly income tax return for individuals, estates, and trust. Okay, so sa number 1, ballot number 1 for the year 2020. Lagay natin 2020 kasi 2020 tayo ngayon. Number 2, quarter. So, click natin tong ballot second. And number 3, amended return. Hindi naman to amended kasi kaka-fill up lang natin ito ngayon. Then number 4, number of sheets. Attach. Pag may attach tayo dito, kung ilan. So, yun ang ilalagay natin dito. Okay. Then sa part 1, background information ng taxpayer or BIR filer. So ito yung nakalagay na fill up natin sa profile kanina. So andito naka-automatic na siya. Sa number 5, taxpayer, andito na yung number. Sa number 6, RDO code, andito na rin yung code. Okay, so sa number 7, taxpayer or filer type. So kung mayroon dito single proprietor. Kung single proprietor, negosyante ka, ito yung i-click mo. Kung professional, dito i-click mo sa professional. May estate or trust. So, ang i-fill up natin ngayon ay single proprietor. Okay, so number 8, alphanumeric tax code, ATC. So, ang i-click natin dito ay itong 11012 business income graduated IT rates. Okay, so number 9, taxpayer, filer's name. So, mayroon na siyang naka-fill up. Sa number 10, registered address. Then, 10A, zip code. Sa number 11, kung ano yung birthday mo, i-fill up mo lang dito. Then, email address, andyan na rin. Number 13, citizenship, kung ano ka. Siyempre, Filipino. Number 14, foreign tax number if applicable. Then number 15, claiming foreign tax credits. Kung mayroon, lagay mo yes. Kung wala, no. So sa number 16, tax rate, choose one for income from business or profession. Okay. So, as amended, available if gross sales, receipts, and other non-operating income do not exceed 3 million pesos. So, design talaga to for, below 3 million yung income. Okay. So, as we've noticed, balikan natin sa number 8, yung ATC. Na-click na natin tong business income, graduated IT rates. So, sa number 16, naka-click na rin tong graduated rates. Okay, automatic na siya. So, 16A, method of deduction. Pipili tayo dito. So, ang gagamitin natin ngayon ay ang optional standard deduction or OSD, 40% of gross sales, receipts, revenues. So, ito yung pinipili natin ngayon. Then, sa part 2, background information on spouse. So, kung joint ang pag-file nyo sa asawa nyo, o fill upan nyo to. Pero pag hindi naman, wag na, i-leave nyo lang natin to. Okay? So, diretso tayo sa part 3, total tax payable. So, number 26, tax due. Part 5, Schedule 1, Item 46 or Schedule 2, Item 54. So, ang mga details dito or lahat ng information, magkakaroon to pag na-fill upan yung sa next page. Okay, so andito na tayo sa page 2. Part 4, computation of tax due. Ayan, declaration this quarter. So, sabi dito, if graduated rate, graduated yung ginagamit natin, fill in items 36 to 46. So, dito tayo sa 36 hanggang 46 kasi graduated yung ginagamit natin. So, Schedule 1 for graduated IT rate. Schedule 1 tayo. Number 36, sales, revenues, receipts, fees. So, ang ilalagay natin dito ay yung sales natin sa second quarter. So, ano-anong buwan yun? April, May, June. So, itotal natin yung 3 buwan na yon sa second quarter. Yun ang ilalagay natin na sales. So, for example lang to guys. 100,000 yung sales natin sa second quarter. Yan, 100,000. Number 37, sabi dito, less. So, cost of sales. So, ang cost of sales, wala tayo nito kasi applicable only if availing itemized deduction. So, we're not availing itemized. We're availing the optional standard deduction, yung OSD. So, 0 dito. Then, so number 38, gross income from operation. So, item 36 less item 37. So, sabi dito, 36, yung sales natin, less yung cost of sales, 0. So, syempre, 100,000 minus 0, hindi 100,000 yung ano niya, total. Less allowable deductions. So, sa 39, total allowable itemized deductions or 40. Optional standard deduction OSD, 40% of item 36. So, you are using the OSD. So, sa number 40 tayo. 40% of item number 36. So, 40% ng 100,000. So, na automatic na siya dito, na calculated na siya. 40% of 100,000 is 40,000. Okay, so number 41, net income this quarter. So, item 38 less either item 39 or 40. So, 38, saan yung 38? Ito, gross income less item 40, so 60,000. So, 100 minus 40,000, 100,000 minus 40,000 equals 60,000. Okay, diretso tayo sa 42. Taxable income or BIR loss previous quarter. So, since second quarter tayo ngayon, tingnan nyo yung first quarter nyo na final. Tingnan nyo doon yung taxable income doon. So, let's for example, ang taxable income natin sa first quarter ay 60,000. Yan, 60,000 yung taxable natin doon. Example lang to guys. Yan. So, 43, non-operating income. Specify kung ano yon. So, lagyan lang natin 0. 44, amount received, share in income by a partner from general profession or partnership. Wala tayo niyan, 0. So, number 45, total taxable income or loss to date. Okay, sum of item 41 to 44. So, 41, 42, 43, 44. I-add natin yun. So, yung last quarter, ay ngayong quarter na to, ang taxable income natin ngayon is 60. Tapos add natin yung last quarter, yung sa first quarter na taxable income din. So ang total is 120,000. Number 46, tax due. Item 45 times applicable tax rate based on tax table below. So doon magbabase ang tax due natin. So nakalagay dito 0. So titingnan natin kung bakit 0. 120 na natin. So table number 1, tax rate. Effective January 1, 2018 to December 31, 2022. So if taxable income is not over 250, ang tax due natin is 0. So 120 na natin. 120 lang yung taxable income natin. Hindi pa siya umabot ng 250 kaya 0. Okay? So balik tayo sa taas. Sandali yan. Okay, sa schedule number 2, leave natin yan kasi we're not using that. This is for 8% IT rate. Then sa schedule 3, tax credit payments. So, item number 55, prior years excess credits. So, prior years, kung wala naman tayong mga excess credits last year, so 0 lang yan. Number 56, tax payments for previous quarter. So, kung mayroon kayong binayaran last quarter, ilagay nyo dito. Pero kung 0 lang din, kasi itong ginawa kong example, ito lang din yung amount na ginamit natin sa pag-file natin first quarter, kaya 0 din. Pero kung meron naman kayong binayaran last quarter, ilagay nyo dito. So sa number 58, creditable tax withheld per BIR form number 2307 for this quarter. So ngayong quarter. Kung naka-receive kayo ng form na to 307, i-total nyo yun, ilagay nyo dito. Okay? So number 59, tax paid in return previously filed if this is amended. So kung amended to, kung may binabayaran kayo sa una nyong pinail, yun yung ilalagay nyo dito. Pero kung wala naman, first time yung nag-file nito. Then sa number 60, foreign tax credits if applicable. So wala yung 0. 61, other tax credits payments, specify. Kung meron, specify nyo. Pero kung wala, 0. 62, tax credit, total tax credit payments. So sum of 55 to 61. So from 55 hanggang 61, i-add nyo yan kung mayroong amount. So mag-automatic yan dito. Since wala naman di 0. So item 63, tax payable or / overpayment. Item 46 or 54. So yung 46 natin is 0 or 54, 0. Okay, less item 62. Yan, naka-0 lahat. So schedule 4, penalties. Nangyayari lang naman tong ganito pag late tayo ng filing. Okay, so 0, 0 lahat yan. Hindi naman tuloy-tuloy. Okay, sa item number 68, total amount payable or overpayment. Sum of item number 63 and 67. So 63, tax payable, 0. Then sa 67, i-add mo daw yung 63 at saka 67. So 0 lahat. So total amount payable is 0. So balikan natin yung page 1. Okay, so sa part 3, total tax payable. Number 26, tax due. As we've noticed, puro 0 lahat. Okay. So, 26, 0. 27, wala naman tayong tax credits. 0. 28, tax payable or overpayment. 0 din. Then, number 29, add total penalties, which is 0 din. So, number 30, total amount payable. So, naka-0 siya. So, number 31, aggregate amount payable or overpayment. So, 0. So, wala tayong babayaran ngayon. Okay, sa second quarter. Okay, so sa mga magbabayad over the counter, if ever mayroon tayong babayaran, so i-print nyo to, 3 copies. Ilagay nyo lang yung, kung sino yung authorized representative nyo or kayo. Ilagay nyo dito, tapos pirmahan nyo. Okay, together with the confirmation receipt ng BIR. Okay, sa part 4, details of payment. Number 32, cash or bank debit memo. Kung cash, ilagay nyo lang dito kung magkano yung amount. Number 33, check. Kung check, example, BDO, lagay mo BDO, tapos yung check number, ano yung date, ano yung amount. Okay, ganun lang. Then, may sariling deposit slip yung BIR dun na ipifill up pa natin. Iga-guide ka naman, pwede kang magtanong sa gwardiya. Yung mga first timer pa. Hingi ka sa gwardiya na sabihin mo na magbabayad ka sa BIR. Ganun lang. Okay, so i-validate na natin to. Kung may kulang ba, kung may naiskipan tayo. So, i-click lang natin tong validate. Okay, validation successful. So, wala na tayong naiskipan. Kung gusto niyo i-edit, pwede din. I-modify your, sabi dito, click on edit if you wish to modify your entries. Yan. So, pagkatapos niyan, i-save lang natin to. Yan. BIR form saved successfully. And pagkatapos niyan, i-submit na natin to for final copy. Sabi dito, please ensure that you have internet access and a valid email address is indicated in your tax return. Are you sure you want to submit? So, lagyan natin okay. Yun. So, sabi dito, thank you for using eBIRForms. By clicking agree, you confirm that you have read, understood, and agreed the TUSA. The full eBIRForms TUSA can be accessed here. So, okay na din to. Yan. So, ito na guys, nag-reply na si BIR. Mga about 2 hours yung reply niya. So, ito yon, eBIRForms, no reply. So, i-click na natin to. Tax return receipt confirmation. Ito na yung hitsura ng reply ni BIR. Ayan, tax return receipt confirmation. So, ayan. Sabi ni BIR, this confirms receipt of your submission with the following details subject to validation by BIR. So, ito yun guys. So, andito yung sa file name niya, nakalagay yung DINU or tapos kung anong form yung sinubmit mo at saka ano yung quarter. Tapos yung date received, time received. Ayan. So, ito na yung hitsura. Okay. So, I hope na nakatulong ako ng konti sa mga first timer na hindi alam kung ano yung itsura ng reply ni BIR. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!